Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a time when you received money as a gift. You should say, when did you receive it? What did you do with it? And how did you feel about it? So without wasting time, let's begin. India has a lot of traditions and trends. People gift each other on various occasions and festivals. One of the popular practices in Indian culture is to give money to kids in the family whenever someone visits a family after a long time or meets them for the first time. When I was a child, I also used to get a lot of money whenever relatives would come to visit us. I remember vividly once my paternal aunt came to visit us from Australia. I was in 7th standard at that time. She stayed with us for 15 days. Before she left for airport, she gave me $500. I was over the moon when she gave me money. So I handed over the money to my mother. My mother was very surprised as she did not know that my aunt gave me money. My mother asked me not to take money from relatives and to inform her right away when relatives give me money. She said it is a lot of money and I should spend in a wise manner so that it is useful for me in a long run. My mother asked me what I wanted to do with the money. All my friends had computer at their homes, so I asked my mother if I could get a computer. It was useful for me in studies as we just started learning computer in school in 5th standard. We went to Western Union for money exchange after a few days. They converted the dollars into 25,000 rupees. We spent 18,000 rupees on buying a computer for me. My mother opened a saving account for me and put the rest of the money into that account so that a habit of saving inculcates in me. After that, I got into the habit of depositing any money I received as a gift into a saving account. This was the money I received as a gift and I spent in the most useful manner. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.